Classes constructor parameters. To create objects with dynamic individual states, we'll use a combination of constructor method and instance fields. In order to assign a value to an instance variable, we need to alter our constructor method to include parameters so that it can access the data we want to assign to an instance. Okay, so let's get straight to instructions. Number one, add the string parameter product to the store constructor. Add the string parameter product to the store constructor. Okay, so start off with the product. Run that quickly. Okay, so next, inside of the constructor method, set the instance of variable product type equal to the product parameter. Let's run that. There you go. It says Java number 7, error cannot find symbol product type. I haven't declared product type, have I? Okay, so let's move on. What is the best way to tell if the following two strings are equal? String username 1 equals Terracoda. String username 2 equals Gigacoda. Username 1 dot equals username 2. Username 1 is equal to username 2. I think dot equals. What does the following code do? System.out.println 8 smaller than or equal to 8 just prints true. It's a comparison. After the following code is run, what value will the variable endpoint be assigned to? Int endpoint equals 11 mode 3. That's going to be 2. How could we get a result of 10 given the following variable? So double A equals 2. So A multiplied by 5. Which operator can be used to concatenate two strings? The plus operator. True or false? The value of a variable declared with the final keyword can be changed after its initial declaration. False. Cannot be changed. The expression 5 is not equal to 6. Will you evaluate to what value? That's going to be true. Are there any errors in the Java statement? In status, 7 is smaller than 8. Yes, int should be a boolean. It's 5 p.m. It's just gonna output it's 5 p.m. What will the following program output? Int num equals 10, 12. A num is multiplied by equal to 2. Num minus equals 4. Num plus plus, that's going to be 21.